Welcome to the Biggo Home channel. Hi Biggers! In this video, Biggo Home provides interesting inspiration for you. Wedding decoration. Wedding decorations are one of the most important parts of the reception. Decorations are important because they will be the center of attention. Not just the beauty when seen by the eye. If the decorations are good, automatically the wedding photos are also good. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like and share buttons for this video. Thank you for watching.